Hey everybody, this is Cricket coming to you today with a sticker haul from SandraD.Designs, and I do PR for her, so make sure that you look at my link tree down below and get my codes. I will also have it across the screen, and definitely go check her out. She is phenomenal. She's from Canada and I love her stuff. It is absolutely beautiful, and it's her 90% of it is her own artwork. Some of it she does get, but a good bit of it is her own artwork. So let's get started. The first thing that I got, she puts washi on this, and I love that because that way it doesn't damage anything, but it keeps it all together. Take that off. This is a beautiful piece of vellum that you can use. It says no can do, sure thing, and this is her artwork. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. Love that face. And then let me open this and I can show you. Oh, look at that face. I can't wait to show you that one. And I got that because I feel like snowmen are any time in the wintertime, not just at Christmas time. So the snowman's my thing anyway. I have my Christmas tree decorated with it and everything. But here's a die cut that I got. And excuse my nails, guys, and my hands. They are all jacked up from me moving and selling one salon and opening up another salon. And the boxes broke all my nails off and cut my hands all to pieces. So please, hopefully you don't have to focus on my nails, but you can focus on the stickers. So this is the die cut. And then this was a freebie, and it has a full box, and then a little sticker there, and then a woman holding a package, and then like Christmas balls across. And that is her information right there. And then Cricket 15 for 15% off your order is my code, and this was the freebie that you will get. Love it. And then this freebie is when you join in on the fun in our Facebook group. When you join the Facebook group, you get this one. And let them know that you are in the Facebook group. Okay, and so let's get opening this. I cannot wait to see this. There's a Christmas coloring sticker sheet too, but like I said, I don't feel like it's, snowmen are always just for Christmas. So I got 2 of these, and this is her artwork. Look at that. Isn't that cute? You can color it, and then I'm going to pop it into my winter rings and put it in there. So I love that she gives you space right here to pop into the rings. So I got 2 of those, and then I got these. They're like check clipboards. And then now to the kit that I love so much. Let me grab it out of here. This is the Snowman Planner Sticker Kit. This works in Erin Condren, Happy Planner, Personal Planner, and Traveler's Notebooks. And here is a cute bookmark or planner marker, and I'm going to laminate this cutie tootie, definitely, so I can keep them forever. And then here is the snowman full boxes with the button checkoffs. I love that, and I love the snowman's face. He is so stinking cute. Here is your daily habits, Monday through Sunday, and then some buttons, some half boxes, and I want to say that's bottom washi. Isn't that cute? How adorable is this? Then here are some functionals with some button flags, snow day, 2x errands, thoughts, busy time, me time, some icons, the weekend banner, some more buttons down here. I am totally in love with this kit. And then here's some more full boxes that you can use. Let me show you real quick how cute they are. Look how cute they are. And I love the feel of her paper. And then on this side, get it done. Appointment boxes this week, next week, and then here is your day covers. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then some more like washi strips. So please go check her out. She is phenomenal. She is an awesome woman, and I love her dearly. She is great at everything that she does, and I hope that you can enjoy her work as much as I do. Come back and see me. Give me a thumbs up if you haven't already, and I hope to see you soon. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.